Hello friends, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Between the Pages with Monique. You guys, I have just decided that 2 to 3 days a week I am going to disconnect from social media, not watch the news, and just be present with my thoughts, my books, with nature, and all the things that God has blessed me with. This is something new for me, and what I have found is I have really been able to be creative. In this vlog, you will see how I created my own book journal from scratch. I also took a planner and made my own agenda, which I document things in weekly. I just wanted to share this journey with you guys. This is going to be a new series on my page. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you enjoy this short video on how to disconnect, be present in your life, and block out the noise. Thank you so much for watching. This is going to be a new series on my channel where we block out the noise, we tap into our creativities and the gift that God has blessed us all with, where we create an environment where we can learn, where we can grow, and we can block out the noise and be present with our thoughts, our journey, our books, and one another. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.